In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change billing address on Amazon. Before we start, a quick note on why this matters. Your billing address needs to match what your bank or card issuer has on file. If it doesn't, payments can fail, even if the card number is correct. This is different from your shipping address, which is where your orders are delivered, so keep those two in mind as separate settings. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. If you're not already signed in, sign into the account that holds the payment method you want to update. Being in the correct account is important because billing details are saved per account and per card. At the top right of the Amazon homepage, hover over or click Account and Lists to open your account options. From there, choose your payments. This takes you to your Amazon wallet, where all your saved cards and payment methods are listed. On the Your Payments page, look through your saved cards and select the one whose billing address you want to change. Take a second to confirm you've picked the correct card, especially if you have similar cards saved. You'll see details and settings for that specific payment method. Next, click Edit. This opens the card's editable details. In the Edit view, find the section labeled Billing Address. Click Change next to it. You're now looking at the list of addresses that Amazon already knows about on your account. Select the correct billing address from the list. Double-check that the street, city, state, or region and postal code exactly match your bank statement, including abbreviations and punctuation your bank might use. Small mismatches can cause the card verification to fail during checkout. Once you've selected the right one, click Use this address to confirm. Amazon will update the billing address for that specific card, and you should see a brief confirmation or the new address reflected in the card's details. If you don't see a change right away, refresh the page to make sure it's saved. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you use multiple cards, repeat these steps for each one that needs updating, because changing the billing address on one card doesn't affect the others. If you've recently moved, it can take your bank a short time to update their records, so make sure the address you pick here matches what your bank currently has. And remember, updating a billing address won't change the shipping address on existing orders. Those are managed separately in your orders or address book. That's it. You now know how to change the billing address on Amazon quickly and confidently.